Hello, everybody. This is Michael from LangShack again. This is the second installment of our Papiamento language course here, short courses. So in the first lesson, we discussed the how to say a or an, the. We went through the pronouns like I, you, he, she, etc. We learned how to say I am, you are, he is, we are, all that stuff. To be. We went over the sounds that there are in Papiamento. We also went over the greetings and some phrases. We practiced them a little bit. We also practiced them with other pronouns where it was appropriate. And also went over this vocabulary in the first lesson. So now we're in the second lesson, and we're going to take off from the exercises. So, exercise 8, translate to English. Sorry if you saw the solutions. So exercise A, translate to English. Está un estudiante. He or she is a student. El hombre está un bailador. He or she is a dancer. Bota un amigo. You're a friend. Está un papá. He or she is a dad or a father. No está un grupo. We are a group. All right, now we're going to translate the Papiamento. It is a suitcase. Está un feliz. He is a boy and she is a girl. Está mucha hombre. Y está mucha mujer. I am a writer. Mi está un autor. She is a singer. Está un cantante. She is a mother. Está un mamá. All right, so let's check what we've done. So, she is a student. Está un estudiante. She is a student. Okay. El hombre está un bailador. He is a dancer. Could be she, based on the lesson, based on earlier in the lesson. Bota un amigo means you are a friend. Está un papá. He is a father. No está un grupo. We are a group. Okay. Exercise B. It is a suitcase. Está un feliz. Okay, that's right. Second, he is a boy and she is a girl. Está un mucha hombre. Y está un mucha mujer. Okay, that's correct. I am a writer. A mí está un autor. I said mí está un autor. I don't think there's really a difference. A mí might be emphasis, not sure. The fourth one, she is a singer. Está un cantante. And the last one, she is a mother. Está un mamá. Okay. So, just because we finished this doesn't mean we have to move on, because there's still other words in here that we didn't really practice with this. Like, they gave us the word preto, they gave us the word pushy. Juffrouw die school, meneer die school. And it's not exactly a whole lot of vocabulary here. So we can say, so yeah, let's try this. So we could say, let's try some goofy sentences. Let's say the cat is a student. That might be something like é pushy tá un estudiante. É pushy tá un estudiante. What if we wanted to say the black cat is a student? Pushy preto tá un estudiante. Pushy preto tá un estudiante. Because it's a Creole, I'm assuming that the adjective goes after the noun. I'm not sure about that though. It might not even matter, honestly, because they speak many languages in Aruba, so over there, so who knows. Pushi preto ta un studiante. E homber ta un bailado. E homber ta un bailado. Okay. We could say let's say the male teacher is a dancer. Mener di school ta un bailado. Mener di school ta un bailado. Now let's say the female teacher is a dancer. Juffrouw di school e juffrouw di school ta un bailado. E juffrouw di school ta un bailado. All right, let's try this one. Bota un amigo. Okay, you're a friend. Bota un amigo. You could say, let's say the cat is a friend. Or you could say, yeah, the cat is a friend. E pushi ta un amigo. E pushi ta un amigo. You can say the student is a friend. Estudiante ta un amigo. Estudiante ta un amigo. Let's see. You can say the male teacher is a friend. Mener di school ta un amigo. Mener di school ta un amigo. You can try that same with female teacher. Juffrouw di school ta un amigo. Juffrouw di school ta un amigo. E ta un papa. He or she is a father. It's probably just he's a father. E ta un papa. So you can say the writer is a father. E autor ta un papa. E autor ta un papa. You can say the male teacher is a father. E mener di school ta un papa. E mener di school ta un papa. For the sake of practicing, you could actually down here she is a mother. You could say e juffrouw di school ta un mama. Or e juffrouw di school ta un papa. The girl, you could say the boy is a father, even though you wouldn't generally say that, but maybe you want to be silly, like me. Mucha homber ta un papa. Mucha homber ta un papa. Mucha homber ta un papa. It is a suitcase. So as we saw down here, eta un feliz. It is a suitcase. So eta un feliz. Let's say it is a black suitcase. Eta un feliz. Yeah. Eta un feliz preto. Eta un feliz preto. See, so eta un feliz preto. It is a black suitcase. Eta un feliz preto. And actually, let's practice this word cantante and bailado a little bit more, because bailado is actually new to me. Eta un papa. He is a father. Eta un papa. E bailado ta un papa. The dancer is a father. E bailado ta un papa. E bailado ta un papa. E cantante ta un papa. E cantante ta un papa. E mener di school ta un papa. Now let's try this. He is a boy and she is a girl. So, eta un mucha hombre y eta un mucha mujer. You can say. Now let's try saying he is a male teacher and she is a female teacher. That would be eta un mener di school y eta un juffrouw di school. Eta un juffrouw di school y eta un mener di school. I am a writer. Mi è un autor. You can also say, let's see. Let's say the girl's a writer. Es mucha mujer ta un autor. Es mucha mujer ta un autor. Let's say the boy is a writer. Es mucha hombre ta un autor. Es mucha hombre ta un autor. She is a singer. Está un cantante. Let's say the female teacher is a singer. Ella frau di school ta un cantante. Ella frau di school ta e cantante. Ella frau di school ta un cantante. Bailado. Let's say the dancer is a singer. He bailado ta un cantante. He bailado ta un cantante. Okay. She is a mother. Está un mamá. Let's try the female teacher is a mother. Ella frau di school ta un mamá. He bailado ta un mamá. The dancer is a mother. The singer is a mother. El cantante ta un cantante. I'm sorry. Yeah. What? I'm sorry. Ella frau di school ta un cantante. Sorry, I got myself confused here. Okay, so that will conclude this lesson. So now we've got all this stuff here. Pushy ta un mama. All right, and in the next one we will start with